Hello there everybody, new day, new story to tell. Karo ba na pregnancy test, positive. Marami no tama ba? Pero for me, I'm so happy for Habibi and Sean. Because now, see, life of Habibi. They will have their second baby. See the face of Habibi? Krisa, yagging. And the way she react. Buntis na ko ulit, uy. I'm pregnant again, Sean. The name of her husband. And Sean said, it's good, no? And because their baby is only 4 months, Habibi is so much, I'm pregnant again. It's so trending now on social media. Because again, she is pregnant, but she is a CS or cesarean. I don't know if it's allowed for her to get pregnant that quick. So the baby boy is just reached 4 months old. 4 months old. And because she's delayed for 8 days, she's she's thinking that she might be pregnant. So she make a test. She did the test. For her to be sure, she went to the clinic with the husband Sean, showing the picture. So she wants to be sure, so she had that serum, so blood test to be sure. Then she is holding down her phone, waiting for the result. She's calling if what is the result of her blood serum test. So yeah, she's pregnant. She's positive. Congratulations. So many commented on their post that why is it allowed to get pregnant that quick, because the baby is still baby, really. It's 4 months old. And her reaction, it's like she doesn't want. But Sean, her husband, said, it's good, no? Some people commented there, if you have a farm partner, a foreigner partner, they don't care as long as they have the ability to provide, it's okay. But the thing is, Habibi is, she is a CS or cesarean. So imagine that, how they do something, that she is still on recovery of cesarean section. Oh my god, I can't imagine, it's so quick. Yeah, she's a really catcher. She's very quick to get pregnant. But anyway, it's a blessing. Congratulations, Habibi.